At Brandon Smith Law, another question that we often receive is with respect to our client-centered lawyering. We get asked, our firm offers free consultations, right? And so we work on contingency. Contingency means if there is no recovery, there is no fee. And so we want to walk our clients through what that means. And I want to walk my audience today through what that means. Because when someone is really injured, financially, there is a burden. They're trying to get better. Oftentimes they can't work. And so contingency is helpful for those types of clients. So we get a case, we work up the case, we do all the work, we do a consultation to understand even if there is a case, and then we start putting the evidence together to help our clients know whether or not they have a case. Once that evidence is intact, we believe that there's a case, we begin to work that up and see what are the mechanisms of recovery for that client. So there can be multiple at times. Sometimes it's a person, sometimes it's an entity, sometimes it's multiple entities. The contingency fee matters to our clients because we do all the work and take on all the risk, all the expenses, and get into the weeds of the case. Sometimes there is no recovery. So it's risky on the firm, in a sense, to bet on whether or not there is a case, but through our diligence we find out, is there a case, and if there is a case that we can recover on and our clients are rewarded, then that's a blessing for all. It's a blessing for our firm because we work hard in what we do. We have a deep bench, a great staff, but it's also even more so a recovery for our clients who have suffered the most harm. So contingency matters, and there are often times where it's 2, 3, sometimes 4 years, even 5, where a client will not get paid and the law firm will not get paid. That's why it's on contingency. The contingency fee is a percentage of whatever the gross recovery is. And so at the end of the case, we recover X, the lawyers get Y. That includes expenses oftentimes because these cases that we work up are very expensive. They involve experts often, medical and otherwise, engineers otherwise. And so those are all fronted costs that we take on for our client. That's our burden to carry, and we're proud to carry that burden because we know that somebody that's been catastrophically injured has the burden of just trying to get better, trying to figure out where they're going to work, if they can work, get back to work, how they can provide for their family. So we don't bill by the hour. We do not do that so that our clients are in the best position to focus on themselves to recover. That's what a contingency fee is.